Hello everyone, welcome to Fobi Medical, and today we're going to go over the Hospira Plum A pump and why they seem to be failing. Now, one of the most common problems that they have is that the power supply is going to blow a fuse. I'll show you where those fuses are and we'll take a look at how to repair them in probably another video, but at least we can diagnose a defective power supply versus a good one, and I'll show that all to you. And we'll go over maybe why they're failing. Alright guys, if you have one of these Hospira Plum A plus pumps and one day it just shuts off, you got to think, alright, what's probably going to happen is you're probably going to pop a fuse right here on your power supply. Let's go ahead and take a look up close. Now, if you guys have ever seen any of my videos from the Better Biomed channel, you'll know that I talk about fuses and where they're located and why they're on a board. But let's go ahead and go over that right now, because right here you have your IEC power input module. Right next to it are two fuses which protect the board and the equipment from AC. Then it goes through power filtering. It goes through your diode, your full bridge rectifier. Then it goes into a high frequency chopper driver, which pushes it through a transformer and then to a set of diodes, which rectify it back down to DC. And then you have your main DC output, and then you also have your battery charging and maintaining circuitry. The two fuses right here are mainly for the AC input. And right over here, you'll see that there are two other fuses. Let's see if I can get them real up and close. So right here you have F4 and F3. These two fuses are the ones that are known for popping. The way that you test these is you put your multimeter on continuity mode, check your leads, and then you're going to go to the fuse and test on each side. This fuse here is open, it is bad. Go to the next one. This one's good. So one of the surface mount fuses is bad on that one. They're gonna get changed out. Let's go to this guy right here. That one's good. This one is obviously bad. Okay, so let's try this PCB right here. This one's good. This one's good. So this power supply here theoretically should power up and it should be just fine. Now, why do those fuses pop? Well, this particular pump, if I remember correctly, it uses a lead acid battery, like this one right here. And lead acid batteries themselves have about a 3-year life expectancy. So what will happen is when the battery goes bad, it's going to decrease its resistance to the point where it's going to short, or it's going to draw more current from the charge. Either way, it's going to open up the fuse, it's going to pop the fuse, and it's going to protect your power supply from being damaged entirely. You can see, plugs in right there. But anyway guys, if you have these, they are repairable. Those are just surface mount fuses, and we can obtain those. Those are 5 amp fuses, and they're easy to get. You can probably even get them off Amazon or eBay. Just either use a soldering iron on one side, heat up the entire fuse, or you can simply use a hot air station, which is probably how I would do it. Just be sure to mask off the two plastics right here, which are for your two connectors. That way they're not exposed to too much heat. Overall, shouldn't be that difficult to repair. Anyway guys, thanks again for watching this Fobi Medical video.